Hey guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you all my favorite curly hair products and explaining to you why they are my favorites. Enjoy! By the way, before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know that this is everything that I use in my hair every single day whenever I style it. Starting off with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo. I use this shampoo whenever I shampoo my hair, obviously, and I've been loving it because I don't know, I just love it. Like, it doesn't smell bad. It smells really good, actually. You can see that it's brown. It looks like it would smell bad, but like it doesn't. I just love it because I feel like it really gets in there inside my scalp and it just takes out all that dirt that's been building up from the past week or whenever was the last time I washed my hair. Next is Aussie Moist. I love Aussie Moist. I've been using it since like, I don't even know, 6th grade, and I'm going on to 10th grade. And I use this as a conditioner, obviously, and as a leave-in conditioner just because it works so well as both. And yeah, I just love it. So yeah. Next, I use this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum. I love this. I feel like after using this would make my hair kind of like crispy, but not crispy, but like a little, not as soft as I want it to be. So putting this on after just really gives it like that fluffiness that I want. Next, I recently just added this to my collection or to my routine, and I love it. This is the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel Argan Oil. I have no words for this because I just love it. You can use it as a regular gel when you're like doing a ponytail or any style, or you can just put it in your hair when you want to leave it down, which is what I do. I use it for both, actually. But this is like the first gel that doesn't flake. It doesn't like, it's like not a gel basically, because I mean it is a gel because it like holds down your hair if you need it to. But yeah, I just love this so much. Next is my brush. It's called the Texture Pro by Wet, which is like those wet brushes, but this is like a different type and I love it. It's just this gold color and I love this. I use this in the shower when I'm detangling my hair, but I don't use it outside of the shower because I just can't detangle my hair after like taking a shower because I know it'll frizz up. But I've tried it, but this is like my holy grail. This is my everything. I love this brush. I've even tried the Denman brush, which everyone loves, but I don't really like it, to be honest. But yeah, this shampoo at Sally's, which is where I got it, or I've seen it at Target, probably Walmart too. Yeah. You can get this at any drugstore, grocery store, whatever. Same for this. This, I got it at Sally's. They do not have it at like supermarkets or like anything. And this, I got it, I'm pretty sure at Sally's. If not, then I don't know. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed talking to you guys about my favorite curly hair products because I just love watching curly hair videos and I just thought that I should share it with you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.